Hey everybody, Brian here with Solid Woodworks. Today I'm showing you how we install the Land Cruiser 250 drawer system. First thing you want to have the drill motor with a little hex head or the proper socket to remove the D-rings back here, a little flathead screwdriver to pop the D-ring out, and then the hardware that we include in our package. The first part you want to remove is the D-ring right here, so I usually just get like a little flathead. I'll just pop that open like such. Inside of here, there'll be a 10mm socket. I have it attached to my drill motor, make it super easy to pull out. That comes out like that. And the hardware included will bolt right into that through the drawer system. So now that we have the two D-rings out, we're going to remove these back panels so you access more storage once the drawer system's in. So these ones are pretty easy, they just pop right up and pulls out. Those little hooks there. I'm just going to put this hardware down here in case you ever need it again. I also like to remove these side panels here and the one on the right as well, because then you have a little bit more deep access storage here once you slide the whole drawer system in. They actually sit on top of these, so you can't pull these out once the drawer system's in. So if you come to our shop here in San Diego, you will see your drawer system looking just like this. Our install takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Let me show you, once yours is built from the pre-cut kit, how you can slide it in. I usually just bring it right up to the back of the Land Cruiser. I'll lift the back up, drop it in. Pop it apart. I'll just go right between your seats like such. So to install the drawer system once it's inside of your vehicle, the hardware that we include is a couple of these 1/4 bolts and these sunken washers that you can see, and 2 turnbuckles. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the drawer system is all the way back, nice and snug, and you know that because the bottom drawer system is hitting that little piece that you took out, so you know it's all the way back. It fits perfectly between the wheel wells, so the left and right doesn't really matter too much because it's kind of tight in there anyways. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove one of the drawers, is pull it all the way out, and we're going to access it from the back of the drawer system when we fold the second row seats up. I'll show you in the back of the drawer system where the access hole is. So now we're going to take the flat washer with a little sunken head here, put the bolt through it, and you want to put this through the back access point of the drawer. To tighten it, you can either use a short screwdriver or a 90 bit. Once you have this finger tight in there, you can use either one of these to tighten down that area. So you're going to put your hand through here, drop it through that hole right there. There it is, just dropped in. I'm just going to finger tighten it like I said. I can come in here with either the 90-degree like this on top of my drill motor or a little short screwdriver. Here we are to do the next bolt, same concept. I'm going to use the short screwdriver again because that seemed to work best. Just drop it in the hole here. All right, I'm going to use a little short screwdriver to screw her in. All right, so we got the 2 bolts in the back end. What you're gonna wanna do is take your turnbuckle and loosen it up all the way so it's fully extended. We're gonna take these turnbuckles, you're gonna find the little hook that comes out right here. You wanna hook it onto here and then hook it onto your D-ring attached to the side of the drawer system. And then you're just gonna take the middle right here and spin this until it's tightened up, and do that on the same on the other side. So you like to get it a little snug, and then I'm going to go to the other side and tighten it up, and we can make sure that this is centered in the vehicle. So now that we have both of the drawers out, because we were installing the back bolts, I just want to show you real quick one more time how cool the under drawer system storage is here, the little hidden compartment. So it's about 6 inches deep in here. You have your stock first aid kit in here, your D-rings that we pulled out. You can put all kinds of fun things in there, or if you wanted to, put like some of your documents in there, tow straps, jumper cables, things like that. It's a cool little spot to have extra storage in the vehicle.